Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. And yes, this is probably one of the best muscle cars I've ever seen come through here. This is a 1970 Dodge Super Bee. Now, you just take your look at this car. It is Sublime Green. This car has had a rotisserie restoration. It's beautiful from top to bottom. What a gorgeous, gorgeous Sublime Green 1970 Super Bee. I'm telling you what, this car, I think I outdid myself with this one, ladies and gentlemen. This car is gorgeous. Look at the wheels, look at the tires, look at the hood, look at the scoops, look at... I'm going to show you everything about this car, and this car is absolutely amazing. Has a 383 underneath the hood, and no, it is not a numbers matching engine underneath the hood. It is period correct. You know how many of these cars got blown up during the course of their life? They were muscle cars, and yes, they did get raced and had, you know, people took them out, had fun with them. This car is probably better than it ever was when it left the factory. It's just that nice. You can see, I will take pictures of the undercarriage of this car, but you can see how good it is. It's all painted up, body color underneath. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. And the best part about it is, there you go. Pistol grip, 4-speed transmission, everybody. This baby is no automatic. It's got 3 pedals in it. Check out them floor mats, Super Bee floor mats. The interior in this car is damn near flawless. What a great car. There's your door jambs, your sill plates. What's your favorite color in the crayon box? I think mine's Sublime Green. The back seat just as good as the front. Super, super nice. Carpet's in great shape. Headlighter's very, very nice. Dome light works. Sun visors are in great shape. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Dash pad is very, very nice. It's got a padded dash. It looks great. Glove box is there. Looks great. Dome lights on your console. Dome light underneath the dash there. It all works. Owner's manual is in this car. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. We'll open the hood. It does, yes, it does have an air grabber hood. There you go. Looks just like it should, just like it rolled off the showroom floor. Painted inner fenders, painted flat firewall. Power steering car. It looks about as stock as you can make one look underneath the hood. The painted valve covers, painted intake. What a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Ram Charger, air grabber hood. The paint is gorgeous underneath the hood, just like the top of the car. Everything about this car is just super, super nice. You can see how laser straight the paint and body is in this car. Very, very nice car. I'd love to point out imperfections in this car, but I really don't see any. This car is really, really a great looking car. The glass is all like brand new. All your stainless, all your trim, all your bright work on the car looks great. There's the inside of your trunk. your spare tire, your jack, your tools. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, this car is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous car. The paint and the jams inside the trunk is just as good as the paint on the outside of the car. What a beauty. The trunk light even works. That's what I mean. A friend of mine was just here a little bit ago, and he says, hey, I bet that tack doesn't work on this car. He goes, I'm sure it don't. None of them work. And so I went ahead and I fired the car up for him, and I showed him, yeah, it does work. So, and look at that. The clock even works in this car. So the clock works and the tack works. The heater works in the car, the defrost works in the car. The radio even works in the car. You're probably not gonna... The wipers work. I don't know if the washers work, but yeah, they work. You can hear the pump working. Left turn, right turn. Bright headlight indicator works. Man, what a great car. Pistol grip, 4-speed, wooden steering wheel, horn works, radio works, heater works. Man, this car is just such a gorgeous car. Lighter works. That gets warm. Side marker lights are working. Tail lights, turn signal, license plate light. Car is all that and more. What a super car. Sublime Green. Man, what a pretty color. My son really likes this car. He's seen this car sitting here this morning and he said, oh Dad, check out that car. He goes, that's a classic, that's a muscle car. And I said, you are correct, buddy. That is a muscle car. And he's only 3 years old, so I got a good thing going with that little man. He's gonna be my next car guy. He's gonna be the future owner of Kenyon Classic Cars. Hopefully he's not ever selling electric cars, because we are all about the pure muscle. We're gonna take this beautiful car for a ride. Waiting for my camera guy here. He's gonna jump in the car here and he's gonna record us going down the road. You've heard him do a few of my videos here, and he's gonna record me while we're going down the highway here. All right. Well, I'm trying to figure out the seat, how she goes forward and backwards here. I'm not as tall as the last guy that drove this, apparently. I'll manage. Just a gorgeous car. The clutch feels really good in the car. It's really nice and airtight inside the car here. They must have done a really good job when they restored the car, adjusting all the windows, and then they replaced all the seals in it, and just everything about this car is just really, really nice. Speedometer seems to be right on. We're going 65, a little over 65 mile an hour. All your gauges seem to work. I hope that E means enough for fuel, because that's what we're right about on E. But hey, we'll take our chances. The temperature gauge works. We're up to about 170 degrees. Oil pressure gauge is about 70 pounds of oil pressure. It shows that we're, I don't know about that gauge, if that one's working 100% right now. It says we're not charging, but I'm sure it's charging. What a great car. It runs great, it drives great. Even though it's a little windy outside today, the car still drives great. I can let go of the steering wheel and it doesn't whip you to the left or to the right. It does gradually pull to the right just a little bit when you're going down the road, but this road is probably one of the worst roads in the state of Iowa, so that's kind of understandable. Brakes work well, don't they, Travis?
Yeah, they sure do.
About putting right through the windshield here, but I mean, if you're looking for one of these cars, there's really no sense in looking too much further. Got the Hurst shifter, the pistol grip. No sense in looking any further. I'm sure Travis here will vouch for me how great this car is.
It's beautiful. I love it. I love the shifter. I love the way just driving in on the table. It felt great.
Yeah, it's just a super, super nice car. Here we go. Second gear. If you probably wanted to get her pretty hard, it'd probably get rubber in third gear, but whoever buys this car is gonna get a show winning, very, very quality car. It's a #1 car for sure. You'd go a long ways to find one any better than this one is, so just give us a call today. Our phone number 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, KenyonAuto.com.